Hey guys, we're back with another RV teardown video, and today I'll show you what we've gotten done so far. So I've done a lot without videoing it. I just forgot to set up my camera, but we pretty much got all the water lines taken out. There is a water line that's going from right here to over here, but that's under the flooring, so we're not really gonna mess with that right now. Now we got the tub taken out. We got all this back area, the water tank. The water heater's still in place, but we got this seating taken out. We got the shelving, almost this whole wall. All this wall's off. And there's Gabriel. Say hi, Gabriel.
Hi.
And then we got this whole wall taken off. So yeah, we're making some pretty good progress. We got most of this wood torn out of here, taken out, thrown away, burned, whatever we're gonna do with it. We did notice that when we took the water pump out, it was kind of nasty. The floor over here was corroded, so I'm thinking that the water heater the water pump just shorted out. These lines are kind of corroded, so we might replace a couple of those lines. Probably gonna have to replace the water inlet for the water tank, and also we got the water inlet for the city water, which that goes somewhere down here, and I'm not too sure. I'm not gonna really mess with that right now. Here's some water lines. There was a couple water lines going this way that I disconnected and took out. But yeah, that's pretty much all we got so far. So I'm gonna put you guys on the time lapse so you can watch us finish tearing down this wall, and we'll see you in a little while. We're tearing this out, and we found a little nest back there in the corner, and it's a dirt dauber nest. And look at the larvae. Pretty sure they're dead, but
you want to eat it?
Did you just ask if they wanted to eat the dirt daubers? That was very disturbing. All right, guys. Now that we got this wall over here torn down, we're gonna start taking off all these light fixtures. So there's 3 light fixtures in total. And then we're gonna take off a couple of these roof panels. Now, if you do notice back here in the corner, there is some water damage. So we're gonna see what's all that back there, how much water damage there actually is. And I mean, look at this floor. That stuff is like rotted through. I'm sure I could put my foot through that. That is soft as can be. Actually, I don't even think there's any wood right there. That's just mush. But anyway, we got all the plumbing right here. Goes up to the front. And something interesting about that plumbing. This one doesn't go into the hole that it's supposed to because there's no support at the bottom. But if you look up here, there's a food can where they covered this so water wouldn't get in, but I mean, you see how well of a job that did. That is on both sides, actually. You could probably see it better on this side. Who in their right mind thinks of doing that? But we're gonna get it fixed, and this thing is gonna be popping. All right, guys, so we're sitting here wrapping up day 3, I think it is. Been kind of a long time since we've worked on the camper here, but we're gonna tidy up this space up, get all these floors cleaned up. Pretty sure you guys don't want to see all that. Oh, by the way, this stuff we're keeping. We're gonna keep the sink, these drawers. Don't think we're gonna use them, but you never know. It's better to have them and not need them than need them and not have them, right? We're gonna keep the bathtub. Switched our plans up a little bit. Got our refrigerator and our cabinet doors. Oh, I forgot to tell them.
What?
Guess what we figured out that works? That's right, the air conditioner. This thing blows cold air. Now, right now it's not that cold, but it feels amazing. Now, I'd still like to replace it and get a better one, newer one, maybe one that has heat and stuff, but right now, just this plain air conditioner. Oh man, I'm so thankful this works. We were looking at prices and this thing was coming out to be almost $600 for the air conditioner and heater. So for now, we're gonna keep this and just use a little space heater like we've been using in here. Alright guys, well that's pretty much it. We'll see you in the next video. Hopefully it's soon, because we really need to get this RV done so we can get on with our family trips. Say bye to the monkey.
Bye-bye.
Later.